Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello, grade 2 little stars, and welcome our scientists to the topic of the sky at night again. Okay, but this time we complete on page 86. Okay, as you know, I guess we finished this. We described the moon and its features. We investigated the formation of craters. Craters are just like rocks. Meteorites are just like rocks. They hit the surface of the moon, making craters. So craters are like holes. Today we're gonna learn that stars are distant balls of gas and recognize some constellations. Okay, let's review. These are constellations. Constellations are made up of stars. This is a crater, okay, made by a meteorite. Here we have stars and here is the moon, okay? Now, how are craters made? You can try this very simple experiment at home. You can bring marbles, okay, a big marble and a small one. You need a ball, okay, and some sand or flour. How are craters made? Drop a marble into some sand. When you drop the marble in the sand, it will create a hole. This is a crater, okay? You will make a crater. So when you drop the marble on sand, it creates a crater. Which makes a wider crater, a big marble or a small marble? What do you think? Of course, the big marble will create a big crater. Which one creates a big crater? A fast one or a slow one? Of course, it's going to be the fast one. Okay, stars. Look at this picture. We can find a lot of stars and we can find the moon. Look at those stars. They make, a group. What about this? Another group and another group. These are called constellations. On a clear night, you can see the moon and thousands of stars in the sky. Thousands of them. A star is a blazing hot ball of gas. Again, a star is a ball of gas. Okay? And it's a very hot ball, blazing like fire, like our sun. But it is so far away. It looks like a tiny speck of light. Because stars are very far away, we see them as tiny things, small things. Okay? These are what? These are constellations. Okay? How many stars are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called the Cassiopeia. This is called the Great Bear. Okay? Here is the Orion. The stars seem to make patterns in the sky. We call the patterns constellations. So constellations are patterns in the sky, groups of stars in the sky. Ancient people saw these patterns as people and animals. Sometimes in the past they thought that there were animals at sky or in the sky. The star pattern people call the Big Dipper or the plough is part of the Great Bear. It looks like a kitchen ladle or an old-fashioned plough, okay? So these are different types of constellations. Again, what are constellations? Constellations are groups of stars, okay? And they have names in science. After dark, go outside with your parents, look at the night sky. Which constellations can you find? If you today at night go to the roof of your house, try to look at the sky and try to find any constellation, okay? And draw it. Copy this star pattern, okay? Copy it in your notebooks and join the stars, okay, by following the numbers 1, 2, 3, okay. And what shape can you see? you're gonna get a shape of a constellation. Okay? Let's do this activity together. Copy and complete. Z is a cold ball of rock. What's a ball of rock? Of course, it is the moon is a ball of rock, which is cold. When a meteorite hits the moon, it makes what? When a meteorite, like rock, hits the moon, it makes a crater. The patterns made by the stars are called what? The patterns are called constellations. Okay? By this, we come to the end of our science lesson for today. Thank you and see you again. Goodbye.